In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore an iPod 8GB Nano 5th generation to factory settings. Now you might want to do this if your iPod is not working properly, if the songs are skipping, it seems to freeze, not syncing well. So usually restoring it to factory setting will fix the issues, and it lets your iPod start from a clean slate. It will basically wipe off all the memory. Everything that's on there will be gone. So before you do this, make sure to back up your music or data on the iPod, because it will all be erased once you restore to factory settings. So let's get started. Right here you see an iPod 8GB 5th generation, the one with the video camera right here. So I'm going to connect it to my computer with the sync cable. So let me just get that cable right now. It's already connected to my computer, so I'm just going to connect it back to the iPod. There you go. Now it's going to show connected. And now I already have iTunes open, so the iPod is now connected. It shows right here iPod, see? Okay, so let's click on that with the mouse. Here's all the details of the iPod, as you can see right there. Now what we have to do is we have to click restore. Now remember, once you do this, it's going to erase everything. So let's click on that. Just click restore again. And now we just click OK. The iPod will show the Apple logo, and it's going to reboot now. And there you go. It's fully restored, and it's wiped clean right now. So it's restored as if when you bought it in the store. Now what you do is, when you're done, make sure never to just pull the iPod sync cable out of the iPod. Always manually eject it. And you can also name your iPod right now. You just single click over here and name it anything you want. Eject. So there's a little button over here. You just click on that. And then your iPod is completely safely released from the software. And it is now fully restored. It's fully restored. And there you go. How to restore an iPod 5th generation 8GB Nano to factory settings. I hope you found this video useful to you. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments and rate this video, and thank you for tuning in.